Okay, the first thing we're going to do is place that giant gingerbread head. And again, on yours, you'll have cut it on the solid line. Peel off that paper backing and then set it on your block so that the cut edge at the bottom of the shoulders is lined up with the raw edge at the bottom of the block. If you tried to float it like here, it would look like your gingerbread man was cut off. If you line it up at the bottom, it looks like more like a photograph of him where that's just cropped at the bottom. So get that set where you want it. And I think next up, I'm gonna go ahead and put the eyes in. So you peel off those paper backings and just layer the eyes in place. All right, and now I'm going to put in the mouth. And I didn't mark the mouth line. It's not as important that the mouth go in one particular place. The eyes are difficult, are tricky to place exactly right, but the mouth, you can turn it a little bit sideways and make her look a little smirky. I'm going to put her mouth up pretty high, I think. I think that's looking cute. I'm going to go ahead and put her collar in place. She's got a little Peter Pan collar. And just line that up there with her neck and the edges of her shoulders. A little fuzz there. And then, let's see, I'm gonna give her cheeks. So she's just got two little pink circle cheeks. And now the hair. That one was less fun to cut. I'm gonna wait and finalize the placement on that once I get the bow. So the bow is in two parts. There's the bow and then there's a knot for it. And this will work for a hair bow or for a bow tie. So I'm gonna put that kind of up at the opening of her hair. And then put the bow knot on there, and then I'm gonna maybe play around with that a little bit. So I think I'd rather have the bow a little bit more to the side, and I can either make her hair be separate, but I think I like it when the hair tucks under the edge of the bow a little bit. Again, you'll want to play around with it. That's the fun of a mix and match pattern like this, is you can really do a lot of playing around to get what you like. And I think I want that to go up off the edge of her head. So I'm gonna shift her hair up a little bit more. Pull that down, tuck it up. There, I am happy with that. So get everything arranged the way you want it. Make sure you've got it exactly where you want it, and then fuse it into place. Just follow the directions on whatever brand of fusible adhesive you're using. And then I'm gonna take this to the ironing board, fuse it in place, and then I'm gonna go to my machine and I'm gonna stitch all of these pieces down. And then I'll bring it back here and I will walk you through the path that I took to stitch it. And then I will show you a couple more blocks that used some of the other pieces that we can use.